Next week, the Reserve Bank of Australia meet on Tuesday, June the 6th at 5:30 UK time. Now, the expectations from short-term interest rate markets are that the rates will be left unchanged at 3.85%. However, interest rate markets still see a terminal rate of over 4% ahead for the Reserve Bank of Australia. So if the Reserve Bank of Australia surprise interest rate markets and communicate that they've finished their rate hiking cycle, then we could see the Australian dollar lose value against the New Zealand dollar. And this makes the seasonal pattern of weakness for the Aussie-New Zealand dollar pair very interesting. Over the last 15 years, from the 13th of June to the 10th of July, the Aussie-New Zealand dollar pair has lost value nearly 70% of the time, an average fall of 0.45%, and the largest fall being 1.85% here in 2014. So will a signal from the RBA that they finished hiking rates send the Aussie-New Zealand dollar lower next week, in line with a weaker seasonal period that's coming up? Major trade risks. All outlooks have risk, and of course this is no exception. The major near-term trade risk here is if the RBA surprise markets again with another rate hike. And do remember that headline inflation is still 7% year on year for the RBA, and you can see that's still quite elevated levels and well above the 2% target, and the core inflation is still very high at 6.6%. So the RBA will likely be reluctant to signal the end of further rate hikes.
What we've spoken about here in this video is seasonal analysis surrounding Microsoft. We want to put seasonals, fundamentals, and technicals all together for a great trade. We have the latest high probability swing trade setup for you ready to grab right now. Just click below this video and we'll send to you the current seasonal swing trade pick for the current month straight away.